Hey, Sherry 4x4, Mike Sherry here. I've got an awesome brand new truck to show you today. This is an all new 2022 Ram 1500 with the Hemi in it. On top of that, you can tell this is not your factory truck. This is a 2022 Ram 1500 Rocky Ridge K2 edition with a custom fade paint on it. Goes from white to silver. With this truck, you'll get 6-inch suspension lift by a factory authorized upfitter. So that means you don't void any of your warranty. 35-inch tires on 22-inch wheels and more. Doesn't that look good? All right, to start, let's show you what Rocky Ridge has done. Rocky Ridge has their emblem up top of the window there, the front windshield. This does have the 5.7 Hemi in it. I believe this is going to be the last year for that. If you want to stick V8 power, better jump on one of these now. I've got LED headlights. Rocky Ridge upgrades the whole front end. They want everyone to know that your truck is different than the rest of the Rams out there on the road. So they add in this custom front end with three amber lights there, marker lights, Rocky Ridge badging here, and a 20-inch LED light bar. Still got parking sensors in the front bumper there, which is nice on a larger truck like this when you go to drive it. Rocky Ridge on the fenders here, they add fender extender here. They're the seamless extender. Still got your fade paint that flows all down through this truck. And Rocky Ridge has the best suspension system in this class. Really makes this truck ride good and perform good too. 22-inch wheels, 35-inch tires, Rocky Ridge brake caliber, painted in red. Got our badging here. Check this out. I'm going to open up this door. It's got power steps on it. Now this truck is a Laramie, which is a high-end trim level from Ram. So it's going to give you factory leather seats in here with a perforated inserts. That allows leather to breathe so your butt doesn't get hot and sweaty, and it doesn't get real cold either during the winter time. It's more like a fabric with that breathability of the little holes in the leather. Head and storage, rubber mat down here. Keep everything nice and clean. It's got a 400-watt electrical outlet for charging, maybe got batteries and things, power tools. That's a good spot for that. We've got USBs and heated seats back here in the back. Custom dual exhaust. It's got Fox shocks on here. Fox Shocks is actually the owner of Rocky Ridge, so they design and implement proprietary products for Rocky Ridge that no one else has. Pretty cool. Two-inch towing receiver and all the wiring for it. There's your backup camera. This is a Laramie, so you're going to be able to release that tailgate with the keyless entry, which I'll show you once we get inside. Does have blind spot in the mirror. So it's going to let you know when someone gets in that blind spot, which is nice on a bigger truck. Look at this seat. Laramie badging and Rocky Ridge badging in the headrest. It's power with power lumbar. As we come in here, brand new, 104 miles on it. So how this works, Ram has just a few throughout the nation authorized upfitters of their brand new trucks, which they allow to upfit and therefore not void any of Ram's warranty. If you do this yourself, chances are you're going to void some of your warranty. But Ram authorizes Rocky Ridge. They've had a relationship with them for decades and allows them to do some really cool stuff to their trucks. Rocky Ridge backs everything up they do for 3 year, 36,000 miles, and Ram keeps their factory warranty on it. Hands-free connectivity, 4-wheel drive, push button start, 20-inch LED touchscreen here. Everyone loves this radio. It's customizable now that you got a 2022. They've upgraded the software in the radio so you can customize this home screen. And this being a Laramie, you're going to have a wireless charger here for your phone. There's a second spot for a phone too. Now it doesn't charge on the right, only charges on the left. But that's cool because it's wirelessly connected to your radio now through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. So that's cool. Keyless entry with tailgate release and remote start. Some cool stuff. Well, here at Sherry 4x4, we've got a wide selection of lifted Jeeps and pickup trucks, so give us a call. Check out our website for current inventory. We'd love to earn your business. Financing is available. We have ability to sell to every state in the United States, and we have customers in every state of the United States. So if you're a little bit far away from us, don't let that sway. One reason we do these videos is for you, so you can get a better idea of what you're looking at. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.